Hello, and welcome to Code Club. In today's Code Club, we are going to be doing a Tinker Hour of Code using Python language. So I need everybody to go to tinker.com, so that's Tynker.com. And once you're there, you're going to go to Code, Hour of Code. So once you select that, we're going to go down here, and we're going to select this Python one called Toxic Jungle. In Toxic Jungle, one of the things we're going to need to do, sorry, I was working on this earlier. I'm going to go back to number 1, is we need to get our Fletch guy to this pixie dust, and that is being told to us right here. So we have to use the forward command to get him to the pixie dust. So we have one forward down here in our area, so now we need to do another one. So as you can see, as I type, it's going to offer me suggestions based on my words. So once you have forward started and you get just to the one item, you can hit enter and it's going to update it. Then we have to add our parentheses. So once we have this added, we can come over here to play and see if this will get him to the pixie dust. And look at that, we got our pixie dust. Yay! So it gives us 10 points, and we get to go on to next. Alright, so over here, he is now here, and he has to get over to the pixie dust here. So right now, as you can see, we have way too many forwards to get him there, because how many spaces does he need to move? 1, 2, 3. But they have 7 here. So you can remove them and just get rid of them. But what they're trying to teach us here is that we have to use these comments or the hash mark to get something to not be read. So what we need to do is we need to put a hash mark before all of the code that isn't necessary. So we have 1, 2, 3. So that's all we need for this. So that means 5. Number 5 is going to get a hash mark. And then number 6, and then number 7. So once those are in, now they're grayed out. So now we're going to play it and see if it works. And yay, he got the pixie dust again. It ignored those other texts. So then we go on to the next one. Alright, so now we have to learn how to turn. And so we have a new command that we're going to learn. We have to turn right. So we need to go to number 3 and move in so we go forward 1 to the box that is right here in the center, and then we turn right. So we're going to start typing, and we have turn right, and then our parentheses, and then he's still going to have to move forward again. So we're going to do forward, and then our parentheses. So now we are going to play and see how it does. And yay, we got our pixie dust. So this is all this video is going to show you today. Your task is to get through all 10 chapters of our main character's goals, to play Python and to get our islands to be connected again. So we're going to hit next, and you're going to continue forward. So now you have several corners to turn, so you want to make sure that you do follow all the instructions, and remember there's some above and some below. And I hope you succeed in saving this from the toxic jungle. Alright guys, thank you so much, and if you need any help or anything, just let us know. Have a great day. Bye!